Hi everyone, I'm Samir, founder of Conference Captioning, and I have an exciting update for AV engineers, event professionals, and accessibility advocates. Imagine being able to add live captions to any video screen at your event without even needing the internet. We've heard from our customers, and so now you can. We have added a brand new feature to our iOS, iPad, and macOS apps that creates a local server. Simply install the latest version of the Conference Captioning app directly from the App Store. Nothing shady. As soon as you hit open, you immediately get asked if you're an event organizer. You say, yes, you are. You have to use a premium stream, so it takes seconds to activate that as well. Hit activate, open, bam. Now you're here. Make sure you create your stream. Use a Be Aware Plus premium stream. You can choose whatever language you want to translate to. You can hit info and it will give you the URL that you can use. It is that simple. And then just hit start live streaming and you immediately get captions. Now, how can you use this with the existing video tool setup that you already have? Let's say you're using OBS. Let's go to OBS. Make sure that you create a new browser source. In here, you can put in that IP address. You just hit paste and add these extra keywords at the end. You can even set a chroma key filter and then just hit OK. It immediately comes over here. Since we added a chroma key filter, you'll need to make sure that you set the key color over there, and you get a video with live captions. It's that simple. This is a game changer for accessibility at live events, whether it's conferences, corporate presentations, even houses of worship. If you want to see it in action, try it out today.